Welcome back to another episode of Lady Boss Boost, your 5-minute business tip that delivers one smart, simple, and actionable strategy that you can implement today. So, in episode 1, I showed you how to create your first high converting lead magnet in just 5 minutes. And I hope you got to watch that Gamma tutorial because it really sped things up for me. Today, we're going to get that freebie in front of actual people because a lead magnet can't bring in leads if no one sees it. So, tip number 1, turn your freebie into a short or a reel. Film a short 30 to 60-second video explaining what the freebie is, who it's for, and what problem it solves. If you can really dig into your audience's emotional triggers so that they can see that they can't move forward without your freebie. Like you have to really dig into that emotional trigger for them. So you can end with a call to action with comment the word leads below and I'll send it to you. Then you can use ManyChat or a Go High level platform like Social Connector to automate the delivery. I have a 14-day free trial of ManyChat and a 14-day free trial of Social Connector, which is a white label of the Go High level platform if you want to give it a try. But that is the easiest way to follow up with your leads on autopilot. So here's a pro tip. Use a hook like, are you struggling to grow your audience? Here's a free checklist that I use to bring in daily leads. Now that's certainly going to get someone's attention if they're struggling to grow their audience. So you want to call out a belief or assumption and reframe it into a bold, unexpected way. So for example, you don't need to be a tech expert to start making money online. You need a plan that actually fits your life. And I've got the plan right here. And you give them your freebie, okay? So tip number 2 is you want to add it to your link in bio and pin it. Your lead magnet should be in your Instagram bio. It should be the featured link in your stand store. It should be pinned to the top of your Facebook profile and Facebook group and in your YouTube video descriptions if you're on YouTube. Then you want to post about it once a week on stories or in your feed with a reminder. Have you grabbed my free guide yet? When you continuously talk about it, they're going to finally come looking for it. They're going to hear it and they're going to say, what is this thing she keeps talking about? Most people don't take action the first time they see something. Repetition builds conversions. Remember that. Tip number 3 is create a nurture post in your group or your feed. Post something like this. What if you could insert the desired result, get more leads, okay? Without insert the common frustration, without posting more. I created a free checklist that shows you exactly how to solve that problem in a few steps and then drop the word leads below and I'll get it to you. So post a nurture post inside of your Facebook group or on your Facebook profile. This is going to build connection, it's going to create curiosity, and it's going to get the comments rolling in so that you can get both engagement and leads. You don't want to give them like what exactly it is in your post. You want to get them to want to know more about it. So you want them to raise their hand and say, yes, I could use that. They don't know what it is, but you're going to go ahead and give it to them. So your Lady Boss Boost challenge for today is pick one of these promo strategies and use it today. Don't wait to have the perfect funnel. Progress beats perfection every single time. Keep it simple and make it visible. That's your Lady Boss Boost for today. If this helped you, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and tell me in the comments which strategy that you're going to use today to promote your freebie. And remember, if you haven't downloaded the lead magnet cheat sheet, drop the word magnet below and I will send it your way. I'll see you in the next episode and keep showing up like the unstoppable woman that you are.